Hello YouTube, back to the wall here of Zion. So I didn't even barely put a dent in it. I opened one cello box and that was all it took, was to get what I wanted. I mean, I opened two packs from the Gravity Feed box, and in that I got this Hakeem the Dream, just from opening only two packs from that full box right there. I got the second pack I picked was the auto Hakeem the Dream penmanship. I'll be getting that graded. And then from the cello box, the open packs, the 12 packs from the rack that I took up there at one of the Target stores, on the very last pack I pulled the ultimate card, what everyone's going for, a silver Zion Prizm. Jeez, epic. I never get lucky like this. I just can't believe it. So happy. So I could pretty much sit on all these boxes and bank on them and hope that Zion becomes the next Jordan, which is hard to do, but if he does accomplish it and avoid injury, which he's injured right now, but if he does, this is going to be a fortune right here. So right now, there's other players in the league that are good this rookie season, so I'm gonna just open a few more Gravity Fed packs. Let's do like 8 packs or so, 10 packs, just to try and get what's his face, John Morant silver. That'd be sick. So let's just take some packs here, and maybe we'll do one blaster box. We'll just for fun, just for shits and giggles. Let's see, how many blaster boxes do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, we have a nice even number right now. Really? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. Good Lord. 13 is a lucky number in Italian. Alright. Let's get to these packs. How many packs am I doing here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14. Wow, 14 is the magic number. Jesus. Alright. Got a silver right off the bat, Larry Markkinen. Thomas Bryant, second year. And a Schroeder. Okay, so... Oh, and a rookie. Whoops. Let's see that. Larry Markkinen. Alright. Imagine if we got another silver Zion. I'd have freaking coronary. Oh man, another silver. There's a lot of silvers in these. Oh my god, there we go right there. Silver RJ Barrett. Freaking huge. Well, 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 well. Welcome to the big leagues, Mr. Barrett. Jesus. Gonna sleeve this puppy up right now. Oh my goodness. I get a rookie top loader. You're gonna go right next to Mr. Williamson. Good Lord. I don't believe it. And oh man, oh man, oh man, that is some nice luck right there. Shit. That was sweet. I should stop opening these packs, man. Earning money here, but there could be more silvers to have. I'm greedy. Lonzo Ball, Jared Allen. Oh man, another silver. Steph Curry. NBA Finals. Wow, these Gravity packs are awesome. I will be grabbing more of these as I see them. Gee whiz. Alright, Daniel Gafford. Tobias. Emergent Brandon Clark. Silver. Whew, wow. It's unbelievable. Some great fortune with these. Just going through making sure I didn't skip any rookies. And I did not, so... Wow. Another silver, man. There is a silver in every pack almost. John Collins. He was pretty hot too his rookie season. I think it's his sophomore year. Sophomore year for Mr. JC. Come on, buddy, you. Tickle, tickle. I want you. What's it say? Get 10 free digital packs. Zion Williamson. Another silver, Nick Claxton rookie. There's my rookie pal. There they are. Ooh, Mike Scott. Mike Scott, wasn't that the manager of The Office? Steve Carell? Or is that Mike Stott? No, I think it's Michael Scott. I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, another silver? Wow, another silver. Jalen Powell, rookie. Trey Young. And silver Gary Harris. Victor Oladipo. Bam Adebayo. Enes Kanter from the Celtics. Bill Russell from the Celtics. Matisse Thybulle. Instant Impact. And bam. Bam bam. Another silver? No, finally a pack without a silver. But we got a Grant Williams rookie. Take that. Will to Stilt. Emergent Goga. Goga. Let me put him with the other emergent. What am I doing? Kyle Anderson. Mr. Anderson. Oh, was that a safety? Security tag. Security tag. Don't steal these. Jabari Parker. I got a green. Michael Porter Jr. Dominance. Green. Kawhi Leonard. That's pretty. Put it right there. And whatever his name is. So, yeah. Man, there's like a silver in every other pack. Or a Prizm at least, if not a silver. Another one. Josh Hart. Spencer. Rookie, too. Luka. We'll see how he does. Another Prizm? No. Isaiah Thomas. Pete Maravich. This is the veteran pack. Giannis, get hyped. Do I have a veteran stack? I don't think I do. I think I'm not worried with the veterans. Get too many of them. There's that guy everyone says has a 5-head. Tarek White. Poor guy. He's got a big forehead. Alright, no silver in this one either. Justin James, rookie. Marquise Morris. Jarrett Culver, instant impact. Harry Giles. Last pack here. Caldwell Pope, Colin Sexton, Jeff Teague, Pascal Siakam. Do we just open the whole gravity box, guys? What do you think? Let's do it. Gravity box, yeah. More packs. More gravity packs. We should rip through the whole gravity box, whatever. Rui Hachimura, rookie. PJ Washington, instant impact. Andre Anderson, all smiles. Whoever he is. Happy guy. Renah Silver's here. DeAndre Hunter. Luke Kennard. Kobe Bryant, NBA finalist. That's cool. Evan Turner. Okay, so I think we've gotten out of the silver. Oh, DeAndre Hunter. Don't forget that's a rookie. Are we out of the silver zone here, folks? What do you think? More silver's coming? More to come? DeMarcus Cousins. Yep, another Prizm. Dylan Windler. Courtney Lee. Shaq Diesel. Shaq on the green. DeMarcus Cousins. Let's see. Is that it for the silvers? For now, Bobo rookie. Bobo. Dominance, Joel Embiid. Where's my plain dominance? I don't think I have a plain dominance tag. I'll put it right there. Next to the silver, RJ Barrett. Oh, yeah. Security tag. Admiral Schofield. Isaiah Thomas, James Harden, TJ something. Silver. Could we get lucky again? Not so lucky. Not so lucky with the plain silver. More from the gravity feed, folks. More from the gravity feed. Let's grab the last few packs. We're going to just finish off the gravity feed. We're going to open the whole thing. That's how we do it. Ladies and germs. Alright, got probably like 10 more packs. Yeah, I'll try and rip through these quick. Alright, Silver Prizm again. Chris Paul. Chris Dunn. Dejounte Murray. And whoever that guy is. Bruno. Rajon Rondo. Larry Nance Jr. got another NBA finalist. A lot of these Lakers. Where's my Celtics? Chandler Parsons. PG-13 there. Kobe White rookie. Hakeem of the Dream. John Morant green. Nice. We will sleeve that up right now, sir. Go next to the RJ Barrett. The big three. Zion, Ja, and RJ. Big hits. Big hits, big hits. Now let's get a silver Ja, Morant, and we'll complete the trilogy of Zion, Ja, and RJ. Got the Zion and the RJ silver, just need the Ja. Larry Bird, Larry Bird. Grant Williams instant impact. Steven Adams. Come on. And I see a little. Emergent. Iguodala. Another RJ Barrett base. Dwayne Bacon. And a Nick Claxton silver rookie. How about that? Got a silver rookie too. Another silver rookie. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's sleeve up those two. I am starving right now. No good because it's late at night too. So we'll throw those with the pile of successes. Security. Security tag. Oh, is that a... That would have been so nice if it was the silver LeBron James, but it's not. Terrence Mann, rookie. Jason Kidd. John Henson. LeBron James. Too bad it wasn't silver. That would have been huge. Nice $100 card right off the bat. Another green. JaVale McGee. Luka. Danilo Gallinari. Green. Yeah, is that Joel Embiid that we talked about? Kuzma. Jalen McDaniels, rookie. Allen Iverson. Marc Gasol. Kuzma. Austin Rivers. I think that's Doc Rivers' son. Imagine if this was John Henson. What the hell wants that clone? Imagine if that was a Zion. That purple snazzy stuff on it. Oh, that would have been so nice. Great. John Morant. Nice. Tyler Johnson. Reggie Jackson. Rudy Gobert. So we got a lot of good cards from this gravity feed box. We're not officially done. We got like 2 more packs. I'm just putting all the good ones together there, so we'll have them the highlight reel at the end. But yeah, this has been good. Been fun. Been nice. John Henson. Another silver rookie. I see a little. Nice. That is freaking beautiful. Silver rookies of glory. Wonderful silver rookie. Just sleeving them up, guys. That's what's taking so long. All right. Margin Talaharo. Draymond Green. Last pack of this epic gravity box, whole complete gravity box break. Jordan. Tim Hardaway, not Michael Jordan, unfortunately. Dominance. And him. Clint Capella to end it with him. That's it, really? Ended it with him? I don't want to break out something to show you guys. So, where was that? Here it was. Alright, so we got in this gravity box from earlier. I opened this one off camera, not on camera, on a different review. But this was the big hits of this gravity box. The biggest one, probably the Hakeem the Dream autograph, maybe silver Prizm. It is definitely a Prizm. Got a Prizm rookie, silver Prizm rookie. Got a base Ja Morant. Got another Prizm rookie, Nick Claxton. Got a base RJ Barrett. Got a green Ja Morant out of this. And a silver RJ Barrett. So some huge hits. Not one Zion in this thing, but not even like a Zion Instant Impact or a Zion Emergent. Haven't gotten those in this, or even a regular base Zion. It is a rare card. No wonder why that silver is worth a fortune. It's just so freaking rare. Crazy. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give a thumbs up and like the video, please, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'd love to bring you good content and constantly making videos. So yeah, definitely join us for the ride. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.